said that there are two kinds of civilian drone pilots. In this minute, we're going to talk about how to become a commercial drone pilot. If you ever want to get paid to fly a drone, this is for you. You need to get your remote pilot certification from the FAA. A first-time pilot must be at least 16 years old, be able to read, speak, write, and understand English, and be in physical and mental condition to safely fly a drone. Now, in addition, you have to pass the Remote Pilot Knowledge Test. This is a 60-question multiple-choice test. It costs $160, so don't register until you're ready. To pass, you must score 70%. That's 42 questions right, and you have 2 hours to do it. But my biggest tip to you, besides study, is bring a magnifying glass. You're gonna need it to read all those pesky sectional charts. And that's it for a Drone Minute.